Unlock the full potential of your Canon EOS 2000d by seamlessly connecting it to your smartphone for effortless photo sharing and remote control. First, on your Canon EOS 2000d, ensure the mode dial is turned to the Wi-Fi or NFC icon to activate the camera's wireless capabilities. Next, on your smartphone, make sure you have the Canon Camera Connect app installed. It's available for free on both iOS and Android app stores. Once the app is open on your phone, your camera will display a prompt asking to enable Wi-Fi. Confirm this on your camera to proceed. Your camera will then generate its own Wi-Fi network name and a unique password. Pay close attention to these details, as you'll need them for the next step. On your smartphone, go to your Wi-Fi settings and locate the network name displayed on your camera. Select it, and then enter the password provided by your camera. Once connected, return to the Canon Camera Connect app. The app should now detect your camera and prompt you to connect. Simply tap the Connect button. And just like that, you're connected. You can now remotely control your camera, view a live feed, and easily transfer your stunning images directly to your phone. Seamlessly integrate your Canon EOS 2000d with your mobile device for effortless photo management and instant sharing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more camera tips.